Welcome to GPCAD introductional video. GPCAD is compatible with most of the CAD program files, especially with the DVG. We will start the demonstration of this software by transferring in a DVG file which we will use a reference file. We will be first focusing on unit A1 and later on the unit A2. After we have transferred in the reference file, we can start using the Group Builder panel on the left-hand corner of the user interface. From here you can choose walls and start drawing walls. We will use the DVG file's points to make accurate IFC beam model of that particular file. By using the letter T, you can adjust the thickness, and by letter A, you can adjust the alignment of the wall. After you have drawn all the walls, we only did one wall and deleted that in this example case, you start drawing rooms. You find the corners of the rooms, and after clicking the last corner, click the right hand button on your mouse and give a room name. This name will transfer to GP Core room card. All rooms have different categories, so you can choose from toilet, other, sauna, wet space and dry space to further use. After drawing walls and rooms, we will move to doors. Doors are chosen from the Group Builder panel also and are used similar to any other fixture in the program. You find the place where you put the door. You can choose the handness by using letter H, and on the left hand corner you can change the size of the door, height, width and thickness. After inserting walls, doors and room, we will go for windows. The actual size of window is inserted on the left hand corner, and this information should be provided to you through the original DVG file or any additional information. Just find the spot for the window and click the window on. After inserting the windows, we will move to fixtures, and fixtures are cupboards, toilet seats, showers and anything else we want to display in 3D. I have created a full IFC beam file for the flat A1 over here, and as you can see, you can select all the material on your screen from the right hand side, or if you just slide in from the left hand side, then you will choose only the material under that box. So now I'll come from the left side, click modify, move, choose the corner of the file and move it on top of the DVG reference. Sometimes it's easier to insert the picture by unclicking the magnet, which will help you to draw the IFC model. As we click in, you can see that all the fixtures, kitchen cupboards, doors, walls, windows, rooms are all according to the reference file. So we are comfortable that the IFC beam model is exact copy of the original file. Here is the list of the IFC fixtures we can put into the file. This particular file set is in the GP's original file language Finnish, but it will be translated to English soon. You can find doors, kitchen and sauna, toilet, cupboards, anything you need for the 3D IFC beam model. After we have created a perfect IFC beam model of the particular A1 flat, we need to create a project in which this flat is located in. All the flats will be drawn separately, and all the flats will have their own JCAD file. JCAD file is what GPCAD files are called. The project you can also find from the Group Builder tab. Project page will show you the main name of the project, and then you have sub headlines as the house. If you have multiple apartment buildings, we just only have one apartment building with one apartment so far. So we have training house and apartment A1 in it. The height of the room is 2.7 meter in this case, and we have one file to add to link to this particular A1 unit, which is of course the GPCAD house one, which is true. After we're happy with the linking, then we can go to the project level and give the IFC file the name of the server in which this file needs to be sent to. The training server is online soon. All the users, all the projects, all the customers will have their own server name. If you want to add another apartment into the project, you just need to start a new drawing, which will be available here, new drawing. You give the name of the drawing A2, and you can always bring in the same reference file that you used in the previous A1 flat, so you don't have to start from the scratch. Here we imported the CAD file, and now we would start all over again from walls, rooms, doors, windows and fixtures and so on. When you come to back to the project file, you can create copies of the houses, apartment buildings, or you can just create a copy of the apartment. In this case we copied the apartment A1, renamed it A2 and gave the file A2 to this particular unit. So now we have apartment A1 and A2 with their own separate JCAD files. To transfer the files to the server, you need to click the IFC button in the Group Builder tab, which will send the files and transform them into IFC file to the server. At this point, we recommend you to download free software called Solibri to be used as a viewer. The GPCAD has been programmed so that after you send the file to the IFC server, the Solibri will open automatically. The Solibri is solely used as a viewer, so it is very handy to check your drawing, check your IFC model before actually starting to use it in GP Core over the net. Depending on the size and your internet connection, it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to transfer the file to the server. When the IFC file is transferred, you click OK and the Solibri will automatically open. Since we didn't do anything for the A1, we only have one file here, which is the A1. The A2 was blank, so it doesn't transfer through. I will hide the roof so you can see inside the IFC model. We have the doors, we have the kitchen fixtures, the cupboards, the sink, the fridge, freezer, the bedroom closets and everything else in place. And we can also see that the floors and walls are correct. We can click any fixture and we can see the details of the fixture to be sure that we have used the right fixtures for the IFC model. Thank you for listening. and watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos and look for more information at www.crewbuilder.fi. Thanks.